Hello, this is Mr. Lewick, and this class you are going to do some coding at code.org. So I want to review how to get there. So when you go to the stream of your Google Classroom, at the top you'll see a new assignment right here. So you click on that, code.org, and your screen will look like this. Your screen, once you are done with this video, you know you have two buttons on there because, well, you clicked on the button to watch this video. Mine does not. But when you're done watching this video, yes, when you are done, please click on the link to get to code.org. And the directions are here in case you forget. So I'm going to click on that. And you need to sign in. If you don't sign in, it does not remember the levels you have done. So make sure you sign in. Up in the top right, I find the sign in button and click. And when you get to this screen, make sure you click the red continue with Google button. That is very important. And the next screen, you want to look for your name. Now I'm signing in as a student. You're going to sign in on your name. And after I do that, you should see your name up in the top right. I signed in as a student, so that's why it says student. And they are doing some new things this year. So it might look like you're starting all over, but they have a warm up here, which you can do. If you want to skip the warm up, you go right down to either where you left off or start all over. It is totally up to you, but I want you to do it in sequence. Don't skip all over the place down here. Everything builds upon the other, or the last thing that you've done. So let's see, I'm going to do a warm up here. I'm going to click on one. And this one is a video, I believe. I'm going to skip the video, but I think you're going to want to watch it. It gives directions. If you're not sure what to do, I'm going to ask you, did you watch the direction video? So let me X that out. And here's the next level. Let's see. Let's have a dance party. And I'm not going to read these to you, but you can read them. If you're not sure how to read it, you click this play button and it will read it to you. I'll pause that. So I'm going to click OK. And if you need a clue, you click this here and it gives you some clues. Do you want a hint? Either yes or no. I'm going to go no. And look, it's telling me what to do. Add this block to your program. All right. And you can see that I already did this level. So I dragged it over and I put it right in there. And then when I click run, it's going to do something. To the groove, boy, you gotta prove. Now, don't sing along because it's going to make too crazy of a class, but sometimes I cannot help myself. Great, you did it. Congratulations. All right, so I'm going to click continue. It'll automatically take me to the next level. Look up here, it's tracking up here, level 2. I'm going to skip the video. And let's see, a lot of directions here. So make sure you read it so you know what to do. All right, and you can even change some of the code by clicking the down button and change what's going to happen. So you can play around with that. And remember, you are doing yours and your friend is doing theirs. Do not tap your friend on the shoulder and say, look what I did, it's so awesome. I'm sure it is so awesome, but let them do theirs, you do yours. It's really awesome. Have a fun time with it, but you shouldn't be getting crazy by tapping your friend and saying, look at this, or turning your Chromebook one way or the other. Everyone's doing awesome stuff. You just continue on the lessons. So you got to figure out what to do here. If you need a hint, click this light bulb. If you're not sure what this says, press play. All right, now I'm going to go back to the course. And I'm going to go to view course. I want to skip ahead just a little bit to some of the things that are more familiar from last year. So here's sequencing. I'm going to just click on 2. So these are the ones where you have to problem solve the Angry Bird, get into the piggy. And they've changed them from last year, so it's going to be a little bit different. And let's see, for this puzzle, drag all the blocks together and click run to watch it go. Okay. So let's see, that's easy. I just got to drag them together because I have to get Angry Bird to the piggy. So let's run. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And I click continue. Now it's going to get harder and harder. It'll automatically take you to the next level. And there'll be different blocks for you to drag. I'm going to skip ahead just to show you some of the harder ones that you'll see. Oh, this one Yeah, I got to answer questions. Interesting. So let's skip ahead even farther. Let's see what this says. Okay, here, there's no blocks there already. So I have to click and hold, drag them over. I can change what they're doing somehow to get Angry Bird to the pig. So he's got to move forward, and it looks like he's got to turn this way. So you think, is that left or right? And then you click run. If you want to see what your steps are that you've done already, just click step, and he turned left because that's what I have there. I don't think that's going to help me. It's telling me something's not quite right. So I'm just going to drag that one off there and put it in the trash can and start all over. All right, that is it. Please stick to the Express course. Have some fun, especially with that beginning dance stuff. But remember, it should not be a crazy room. But you should have fun. That is very important. The more you code, the better you get at it. You're going to be coding throughout your life because it is here. Computers are not going anywhere. So even if you don't have a job that has coding in it, you want a working awareness of how it is so you're not left out in the cold and don't understand what's going on around you. All right, that's the deal. Have fun. Look forward to see what you are able to do. Rock on, students.